Honda CR-V arrived on the scene in the late 1990s, the compact crossover segment was just starting to take shape. Fast forward over 2 decades later and the CR-V has become one of the quintessential mainstream SUV nameplates, racking up millions of sales and establishing itself as a core member of Honda's lineup. As the model soldiers into 2025, Honda has completely redesigned the CR-V from the ground up to solidify its status as a leader in this hotly contested family hauler category. While the outgoing CR-V was a well-rounded and capable crossover in its own right, this new 6th-generation model represents a major step forward for Honda in multiple key areas. From enhanced driving dynamics to a more refined and upscale interior, cutting-edge technologies, and more efficient yet powerful hybrid and turbocharged engine options, the 2025 CR-V raises the bar across the board. Bold new styling inside and out. One of the most dramatic updates for 2025 is the CR-V's complete exterior redesign. While still maintaining its familiar silhouette and traditional two-box SUV profile, the new model adopts a bolder and more modern look aligned with Honda's latest corporate styling language seen on newer models like the Civic and HR-V. Up front, the 2025 CR-V wears a more aggressive and upright iteration of Honda's signature wing face design with slimmer LED headlights, a larger upright grille element, and sculpted front bumper with integrated air curtains for improved aerodynamics. Short overhangs, pronounced fenders, and sharper character lines add muscularity to the side profile. At the rear, new LED taillights spanning the entire liftgate width create a wide-body look. Honda optimized nearly every exterior surface for aerodynamic efficiency as part of a quest to boost fuel economy ratings. Engineers utilized technologies like air curtains to smooth airflow around the front tire wells, aerodynamic spats covering the underbody area, and a smoother integrated rear roof spoiler. The result is a slippery 0.30 coefficient of drag rating that bests many rival crossovers. All these design updates give the 2025 CR-V a planted, hunkered-down stance on the road. A new range-topping touring trim ramps up the premium styling even further with larger 19-inch alloy wheels, more aggressive front and rear styling elements, and available two-tone exterior paint schemes. Huge step up for interior ambience and technology. While the outgoing CR-V offered a pleasant if somewhat plain interior, the redesigned 2025 cabin represents a massive step up in ambience, material quality, and available technologies. Honda benchmarked premium brand competitors and the results show, with the 2025 CR-V delivering an impressively upscale look and feel. Soft-touch surfaces with contrast stitching and premium piano black or brushed aluminum accents create a modern, sophisticated vibe. The range-topping touring trim ascends into full-on luxury territory thanks to its leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and available real wood accents on the dash, center console, and door panels. Increased sound insulation results in a hush cabin experience. Rear passengers benefit from a notable increase in legroom over the previous model. Technology takes a major leap forward for 2025 as well. Honda furnishes the CR-V with a fully digital driver instrumentation cluster utilizing a high-resolution display with customizable gauge configurations. In the center stack, a slick 9-inch HD touchscreen runs the latest generation Honda infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air update capability, and integrated Google services for maps, voice controls, and more. As part of the Google built-in setup, CR-V owners gain access to the full library of Google automotive apps and services, including Google Assistant, Google Maps advanced routing and traffic data, and the familiar Google Play ecosystem for downloading compatible apps and content. Honda's innovative SHHHH cabin noise cancellation technology enhances voice recognition accuracy. In-car Wi-Fi connectivity and wireless phone charging pads keep everyone synced as well. Turbo power standard, hybrid efficiency optional. All 2025 Honda CR-V models receive a dose of turbocharged performance motivation courtesy of an updated 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 190 horsepower and 179 pound-foot of torque. This punchy yet efficient turbo powertrain delivers energetic straight-line performance while returning an estimated 28 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway, when paired with the standard continuously variable automatic transmission. Those seeking even more power can opt for the 2-liter turbocharged inline-4, which cranks out a robust 276 horsepower and 300 pound-foot of torque. Reserved for the flagship CRV touring model, this gutsier forced induction mill transforms the crossover's driving experience with effortless merging and passing capabilities. Both turbo engines utilize direct injection and Honda's latest iteration of variable valve timing to maximize power and efficiency. Like many automakers, Honda has faced significant production constraints over the past couple years due to the global semiconductor chip shortage. One of the models hit hardest by these disruptions was Honda's immensely popular CRV compact SUV. At its largest U.S. manufacturing plant in Marysville, Ohio, Honda had to run CRV production at only about 50% capacity for multiple months in 2022 as chip supplies impacted output of critical electronic components. With demand for the CRV far outstripping available inventory on dealer lots, the Japanese automaker was forced to prioritize its limited chip allocation carefully. While frustrating for both Honda and consumers eager to get their hands on a new CRV, the company has navigated these supply issues relatively better than some competitors. Experts forecast the chip shortage's impacts will likely linger into 2024 before supplies fully rebound. Despite this near-term production challenge, Honda remains focused on an ambitious vision to transform itself into an electrified mobility leader over the coming decade. Central to this vision is the key pillars of battery electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles proliferating across Honda's global lineup to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. In 2024, Honda will introduce its first volume BEV offering in the form of the Prologue SUV, co-developed with GM using the Detroit automaker's Ultium battery technology. A year later in 2025, the premium Acura brand will launch its first BEV built on a new dedicated Acura electric platform. Looking further ahead, Honda is investing heavily in solid-state battery innovations targeted for the late 2020s that could significantly increase driving ranges and reduce charging times compared to current lithium-ion packs. In parallel, Honda aims to have its next-generation more affordable FCEV, codenamed the Prologue fuel cell, hit the market by 2024 alongside its new BEV models. The company plans a new H3 at software operating system to centralize functions like autonomy, electrification, and connectivity across its future lineup starting by 2025. Safety technology like Honda's omnidirectional ADAS system will also be a priority. Though chip shortages have disrupted CRV output, the model's ongoing sales success will help fund Honda's ambitious electrification efforts. The company that brought affordable innovators like the Civic and CRV to market has a spirit of pioneering sustainable mobility solutions for the next era. Overall, the Honda CRV is a versatile and reliable compact SUV that has been a top seller for Honda. It offers a spacious interior, good fuel economy, and available all-wheel drive. With a reputation for quality and value, the CRV continues to be a popular choice among consumers seeking a practical family vehicle.